Ready to stop scrolling and start creating thumb-stopping social media videos that boost your brand, all without leaving Wix? Let's jump right in. From your Wix dashboard, navigate to the Marketing and SEO tab on the left-hand side and click on Social Posts. Here, you'll see options to create a social post from scratch or use a template for this tutorial. Let's use a template. Click on Create Template. Wix offers a ton of professionally designed templates perfect for different social media platforms and purposes. Browse through the categories or use the search bar to find one that suits your brand and the message you want to convey. I'll choose this eye-catching one that promotes a sale. Click Edit to start customizing. Now you are in the Wix Video Editor. This is where the magic happens. You can easily swap out the placeholder video with your own footage. Click on the existing video clip. Then click Replace and upload your video from your computer or Wix Media Manager. Next, customize the text to match your brand's voice and highlight your key message. Simply click on any text element to edit it directly. Change the font, color, and size to make it your own. Also, you can replace any images in the template by clicking them and uploading new ones. To fine-tune your video, use the timeline at the bottom of the screen to adjust the duration of each clip, add transitions, and control the overall flow of your video. Experiment with different transitions to create a smooth and engaging viewing experience. Before you post, preview your video to make sure everything looks perfect. Once you're satisfied, click the Create Post button in the top right corner. Finally, choose the social media platforms you want to share your video on. Add a compelling caption with relevant hashtags like #WixVideo and #SocialMediaMarketing. And schedule your post or publish it immediately. That's it. You've successfully created a captivating social media video using Wix.